Yeah, that's all right.
All right.
Oh, hold on. All right, I'm gonna start this.
Yeah, go ahead. Let's go, guys. Welcome back, everybody. We're at Chicken Ranch Casino on Lightning Link. Best bet. We have not played this in a while, so let's see. These are our D-knobs here. We're gonna do a 2 cent, I think, max bet before we change down. Horses wild. All right. Oh, all the way.
Alright, did it go all the way?
Good.
Something.
So $32. All right. 6 of these bad boys.
Come on. Did it go all the way through that time?
All right, horses are wild. 3 of those horseshoes, or 6.
Yeah, it's been a little while since we played Best Bet. So I saw it and I was like,
oh, come on. That was 5. Let's go. We need 6.
let's go for it.
$11. Let's go.
These games you can get on some really good runs.
Come on, 2 more. 1 more. Oh, it's there. And look right here. Tippity top.
That would have been a 4 trigger. We're due for a good run on one of these.
1 more.
Right there. No, come on. That's messed up.
Come on. 3.
Right there. Oh, you. Good at the fake now, huh?
Come on, wild.
You gotta pet the horse in here? Hello, horsey.
2 more.
Gotta threaten him. The glue factory.
2 more. Come on.
Keep getting a line hit, but 2 more. You know the problem, I have a lucky left hand in this thing. Wait, we're going to take our bracelet, put it right over the button. That's the
3.
bonus. What if it worked? Everyone would be doing it.
Come on, best bet.
Bonus.
Let's go. We need 1.
Come on.
5.
Why the long face? Is that the joke they always say about the horse?
Yep. 5 more. Come on.
Because he took all of our money.
1 more.
Oh, I thought you had it. I was like, that's it.
Get it. 5 more.
Was there a denom where they were actually like
Just
landing?
this was the fit. It wasn't this one. No, it's
It was
fine.
1 cent? Alright. There's still time. No need to rush.
Come on, best bet.
Minor would be nice. $50. Alright.
Get it. 5 more.
Maybe you need to change up the timing. Oh, there's that minor. Get it. Hello.
3, 2,
Just
Alright. Let's
Good
add
job.
a major to that, guys. Minor's 50. Minis are 10.
Yep, let's go.
Let's go, baby. Another mini, we'll take it. Another mini, we'll take it. Let's go. 25. Let's
That's
go,
a lot
baby.
better than
Fill it
those
up.
minis. How about more 25? Fill it all up.
Come on, fill it up, baby. Let's go. Another one.
You're not done.
Oh, no. Keep it going.
No,
One
stop it.
more.
Keep on dropping. Here we go. One more. Right there.
Man.
It's alright. But you're not in a profit. Alright. I'm back. Now let's back it up with another one. Back to back. 4.
Come on,
One
come
more.
on. Wild, line them up. 5, wild.
Oh, that was nice.
3, 3, 3.
Right there. Gave you 4.
Come on, horseshoes. Horseshoes, 4 more.
Only 2.
4. Damn. 4. 2, 2. Oh, I don't know what you want to go to now. 3.
Right there, right there, right there. What's this, $3?
Yeah. Let's go, best bet. 3 more. Horseshoe, 1 more.
Get it.
Damn, it went by like 10 times.
Oh, man.
Horseshoe. 4 more.
2 more.
Horseshoe, horseshoe, horseshoe.
Ooh.
Like literally the only thing that's it. Horseshoe.
You got time. We're still in it. 3 on the end. Alright. This is where we got it. This is where we'll get it again.
Almost 100.
Yeah, that would have been nice. Have faith right now.
$2. Come on.
You want to give us one more right now?
Here was that major.
Right here.
3. 3 more.
Put it.
Alright guys, that is Lightning Link. Best bet anywhere Chicken Ranch Casino for good old fashioned husband versus wife. I'm choosing Chica Bonita. I don't know what he's picking yet. I know we're gonna win, so it doesn't even matter. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. Chica Bonita, $100 in. Oh, that is not what I wanted. Sorry, I lied. There we go. She is our wild.
Alright, here we go.
3 of those chili peppers. We need you. No more.
Oh, it's
That
right
was
there.
so nice, Chica Bonita. Come on, peppers.
Peppers are showing up. Like some spicy
4,
food.
2, 2, 2.
You know, it's been a little while since we won a major on one of these Lightning Link machines.
I know.
Maybe today. Today's the
Come on,
day.
come on. Anything. Alright, let's go. Alright, here we go. We want stars, suns, moons, whatever you call them. Money. No. Chica.
What do we get? Come on.
Come on, don't be a bummer. What a bummer.
Only halfway. It's okay.
Money, money, money.
You can do this. Something nice. That's good. Well,
$5. We'll pretend like it didn't happen. Three.
that was rough.
A little bit.
You only had a $5 bonus. That's easy to beat.
It's not over yet. Four more. Come on, chili peppers. You owe me
You need some redemption.
a redo. Come on.
Need a redemption. Need a little more pep in your step.
Come on, peppers. Four.
Come on.
All right, Chica, this isn't very nice. We're
Chica.
supposed to beat him.
More like cheaper.
Four. Why? Yeah, that was $150 there.
Cheapo, bonita. Nothing lined up there. Got a
Less
little
lines here, though.
375. We had a good hit on 375 yesterday.
Four.
I forgot what game it was on. Some Happy and Prosperous?
I think
it
so.
was. Yeah.
Come on, come on. Come on, chili peppers.
Two more.
All right, under the last one, 10 cents.
It's gonna be easy to beat.
Come on, come on. Get it.
Man, not even any line, like decent line pays going on.
Nothing.
Oh,
Peppers, let's go, let's go. Okay, choose it.
you can push it if you're game.
We can do him.
Yeah, I'm gonna move over to them.
Oh, that was so mean.
Triple major.
I know.
Do it now.
All right, guys. I think we're just gonna pick
Yeah,
up and
let's just
move
move
you.
over.
Husband is going to do Kung Fu Master. All right, there he is. We're gonna get the chair ready.
Moving it.
Oh my gosh, it weighs a lot. All right, let's go. Kung Fu Master, guys, for the husband's choice.
You guys know why? Because we got white beards.
Yeah, he always says that.
And I taught this guy all the moves he knows.
All the snake tricks. Okay, let me make sure we're in the screen here.
All the karate moves.
All right, go ahead. Where do you want to start? Yeah, this one.
Since we gotta get back your money, let's try 10 cent.
Okay, 3 of those guys for 3 games.
Already won.
4, 2 more.
Your bonus was how much?
You're real funny. It was $5. You know that.
Alright, $5. Yep.
Come on.
Crushed you. Get it. It's my game, so now I'll use the lucky left hand. Because we all know that's the difference maker.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Right now. Got Got it. Nailed it.
Well, you're not getting anything,
All right,
so.
Sensei.
4.
Sensei Bruce here.
4.
That was my Kung Fu Sensei's name. When we trained in the dojo. Come on, Bruce. 3 more.
Get it. Come on, one more.
Get it.
Oh, it went there and there.
Well, sometimes when you're training Kung Fu, you're just off until you perfect it.
You're down 30, sir. You got less lines on this.
5 cent.
250.
Alright, come on, bonus time.
3.
3, 2.
Triple mini, 50, 50, 50.
I won.
Alright, you won.
Kung Fu Master, I told you.
Alright, triple minor, triple major, more words.
I like triple stacks.
Come on, more.
Wow, no stopping. Keep on dropping them.
Let's go, another one.
One more. Right here,
Let's
last
go,
chance.
get one. I saw the minor in there. Let's go.
Put them all in. How about another triple mini?
You could throw in that triple major that was on Chica.
Chipa Bonita over there.
Get one.
There we go. Last chance corner.
Alright, Kung Fu Master.
Put them all in.
Grand is 18,000. One more.
Fill them all up. That's still a nice one.
Yep.
Made
Well,
up.
you won.
Told you I didn't get the money back.
Mine plus yours. You gonna keep playing on here?
Well, yeah, let's see if we can get something else. Then I get to do a sweet outro.
4.
That was fun. Right there.
Come on, Kung Fu.
Come on, Master. Bruce. Telling you, in the dojo, that's what his name was.
3.
Come on. Alright, how we go?
Oh, it's right here. Whatever you like.
Let's go over here. $5. So let's try a couple $5 ones.
Alright, Kung Fu Master. Oh, look at all those.
2 more. Do you get more doubles stacks like when you max bet, or
Probably.
I guess the like $5 bet on this is half the mini. Your bet size is half the mini, so you're double or triple.
Come on.
4 more. It's not as big.
4.
Oh, 5. Should get 5 a lot.
One more. Oh, this, you should have been a master.
Yep. Like me. Kung Fu Master.
4. So now 100 lines. Still a $5 bet.
Okay. 2 more.
Come on, get it. Back to 50 lines.
I'm gonna try 10 cent.
Is
So
that
that's-
where we were?
Yeah.
You're on the wrong one. 2.
Almost got it.
Get it. 5 more. 3.
Oh, yeah.
3.
No, that's a curse.
Come on, get it.
I want some free games, baby. Starting to treat us like Cheapo was. They disappeared after that bonus.
Come on.
Oh, you're not around. You're not coming around.
4. Well, I don't know what you would like to do.
Let's, it's only 5 lines here.
4.
Ooh, that's a nice ball, though. 2 more.
One more.
One more. Good change.
If we would have had the right there, it would have been a double bonus.
Alright, can we make this look like $100?
I don't remember this bonus.
I think we should be good. Hopefully it's good.
Okay, let's go. Stack them. Stacks. Stacks. Alright, we need stacks. 4 more. Come on.
4.
Wild. 4.
That's only 4. One good spin here. We go.
Wild. 20. 2 more. 2. Damn. 45. Again.
That's that. We get back into it.
Alright, I don't know what you want to do. 25.
375.
One more.
That's very disheartening when you get the first 2 and you don't get one on the next 3. It's like, come on.
4.
3 more.
Come on. That's
75?
4.
Alright. Lucky left hand. Come on, dude. 1 more.
Alright, let's get
That's
it
the
again.
first time ever.
That's the first. Look at it.
Oh.
Yeah, mine's on this side.
Yeah.
Oh, we're delaying our bonus though.
Yeah, that's alright.
Alright.
Hold on. Alright. I'm gonna start this
Yeah,
one.
go ahead. Let's go, guys. Balls. We need it. 2 more.
2.
Wilds.
Oh, come on.
Oh, that's crap.
Do it. Oh, this is...
Re-trigger. Well, that was crap.
Man. This game is hard. No one ever said slot machines is easy. Both of those free game bonuses haven't been the best.
One.
That could have made up for it right there. 1 spin, make up for all the 2 more. 3 more.
Wilds.
A little bit. I think if we get in a free game bonus, again, it'd be really nice. Because the last 2 weren't very good.
5.
But those balls are... we did all these?
We did everything. Well, unless 2 cent. I don't know if we did that.
5 lines, come on. $8. I'll take it. Keep getting some wins on it. Balls don't...
2 more.
Right now. Do it. Again, if you lit liners on that one. Oh.
Come on.
Okay. us back in that bonus. We know you got more in there.
Come on, come on.
Giving us the whole mix and match.
Two more. 4. 3.
3 on the end. Nope. Yeah.
Come on.
2 more.
All right. Outro? Or you want to go again?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. You won the husband versus wife. Someone's on that one.
Alright, let's put another 100.
What are you gonna bet?
Pick a $5 somewhere.
Oh, I don't think 50 lines, $5.
Let's try that.
25 lines.
Try 50 lines, $5. Come on. Come on, you. We need something awesome from you right now. Line some stuff up for us.
Hey, that should be good.
50 lines though. Still good, $50.
5, 4.
Would have been a lot better. 25 lines.
Come on, come on.
Come on, Kung Fu. Bruce. Remember when we used to train nunchucks all the time?
Yeah, definitely.
Yep.
5.
We're Kung Fu fighting. Now we're gonna get copyrighted since I'm such a good singer. Alright, do it.
There we go. Hey, 5 of a kind.
Oh, coin show. Those are the best in or what? $50? 59.
Hey. 4 more.
Oh. The first 2.
It's always. Come on, give me
showing a
the
little bit of
bonus
line.
on this.
2 more. Just no balls. Some line hits. I will give you line hits, but no balls. 4 more.
That was mean.
You went for it.
4
more. Ooh. That was a lot of words on those balls right there.
Wilds, come on.
You come through.
Come on. They both went by.
When I had to polish, wax on and wax off the car.
5. 4 more.
4 more. Alright.
4. You're not dropping it. Shh.
Alright. Let's stick it here. It's 10 spins.
4.
2 more.
2.
5.
Come on. One more.
Down. I just karate chopped that one. Just for old time's sake. Nope. 4. Do it. Mean game.
Get it.
Alright guys, husband versus wife challenge. You saw that. She picked Chica Bonita. She got $6 bonus, maybe $5. Who knows? Really wasn't even a bonus. Kung Fu Master gave us a good bonus. We maybe overstayed our welcome a little bit. But I blame him. He was my trainer when I was in Kung Fu. Obviously, you blame the master, not the student. See you tomorrow.